Sunday morning. Man, trips go by fast. Yesterday we had a blast. Today I think the first ride we're gonna get the RZR loaded up. I might change the belt just because it's been chirping. I know it's stretched, slipping just a little bit when it gets heated, so I don't know, just since we're alone I might swap it out. I don't really care. I don't know, I'm thinking about doing that because we're gonna go out to China Wall first thing this morning, so that's gonna be the first stop. It's a long ways from where we're at, and even though I carry a spare belt, just don't want to deal with it if I blow it, so might do that. Otherwise, fuel up, head out there, check it out, hit the hill, and then we'll probably come back, have brunch, and then I'm thinking I'll probably gear up, and she's going to drive the car a little bit more today. Say hi to everybody.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh. Well, she says hi anyways. Come say hi. Real quick. Oh, there she is. Yeah. 2 bottles of wine later. Bright and early. She's a true champion.
Still rolling.
Stay tuned for that. That's the plan, all right? Bye. Just chilling, air conditioner's on. We're gonna hang out for a little bit, and then she's gonna drive, and we're gonna head back to Olds, and I'm gonna suit up and get on the dirt bike now that it's, you know, peak heat again. And yeah, we're just gonna go have a good time today. So really no plan, just ride, have fun, and enjoy the last day. So that's what we're gonna be doing next. We're gonna get her set up here, drive a little bit in camp, because I got the seat adjusted for it. She said her 5'10" lengthy ass couldn't get the pedal to the floor yesterday. So we're gonna have her drive around the wash just a little bit, make sure it's where she wants, and then we're gonna head to the hill again. So comfortable? Yeah.
sideways there. So what happened getting a little sideways that one run? What was that?
I lost control of the
You
I didn't grip it hard enough.
You didn't lose control. It just seemed like when you were coming around that left side, like you were coming around making a hard turn kind of and giving it a lot of gas, so you just maybe kicked the back end out a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, it didn't look like you lost control. It just looked like you kind of drifted.
It felt like it.
So we're going to load up and we're going to head back to camp and turn on the AC. Yeah. All right, that's the plan. Maybe have some coffee. Iced coffee, that is. All right, we'll be back. That's a wrap on the weekend. I don't know about you guys, but we had a great time. It's Sunday night, well, Sunday evening, about 6 o'clock, and we're just going to start cooking some dinner. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the videos. I think we had a great day. Haley drove the crap out of the RZR, which was awesome to watch. I don't ever get to see it from an outsider's perspective, so it's pretty neat to be able to watch that all day. And she drove like she's been doing this for years. So that was super fun. We're going to be out here for Thanksgiving. We're going to be out here for New Year's. Lots of good stuff to come, lots of good content, but appreciate you as always. We're sending it out tonight with cooking, campfire, big raging campfire. We got desserts and all kinds of good stuff coming, so we'll catch you on the next one. All right, guys, bye.